In today's lesson, I will teach you how to make different pipe type and piping systems inside the Revit. Let's open the Revit first. For making pipe type and piping systems, we need to create a new model. After pressing the new button in the model, a new project bar appears. There are two options. Either you want to create a new project or create a new project template. A project template is required to create a new project. If we already have a project template, then we can call it from the saved location. But I am not using customized project template because this already contains systems. So I am using standard project template that's available for everyone. The default location for the project template in the Revit is C, Program Data, Autodesk, Revit, Template. In the US Metric folder, we select Plumbing Default Metric Project Template. Now it has become a new project. So guys, first of all, we save this project at any location with the name of creating pipe types and piping systems. We implement the view template plumbing plan. Two things we required. First, pipe types, and second is piping system. When we expand pipe types, we found standard pipe there. First, we make a type of domestic cold water. The name of pipe type and piping system should be same. So we copy the name of domestic cold water and paste on standard pipe type. Now we have same name on both places. Adjust detail level find in view template before draw a pipe so that we can see the pipe double line. Now we draw a pipe. We have to go to System Tools, Plumbing and Piping ribbon, then select the pipe. Or we have to punch PI from the keyboard to select the pipe. Now the pipe shown in properties. The pipe type and system type should be same before draw a pipe. The pipe type is domestic cold water, but its system type is different. We have to select system type domestic cold water. Now pipe type and system types are same. Select the pipe diameter 25 and middle elevation 500. Now we draw a pipe in drawing working area. You can see that pipe type and system type are same. Any pipe size we have to draw must be size selected in options bar. For example, I select second pipe size of 50. You can see its size big. You can also verify it from options bar. In piping system, we must know the pipe material. It's called pipe segment. For example, we need PPRC material for cold and hot water system. UPVC for sanitary system, MS seamless pipe for fire water system, and copper for refrigeration system. Similarly, every piping system had different material. For making a piping system, we need some fittings. For example, elbow, T, cross, flange, end cap, etc. It calls routing preferences. We can see it in pipe type, then type properties. We can manage pipe fitting settings here. We need PPRC material for domestic cold water in pipe segment, but we did not find it here. So for preparing this material, we will go in segment and sizes. Segment and sizes are located in mechanical settings. There are some default materials in segment. Our requirement is PPRC material. We can create or delete any segment from here, but we cannot change the material or type of any segment. We press the new button for making a new segment. We found three options in segment and sizes. First option material, second option schedule type, and third option material and schedule type. In the first material option, we can create any type of material from library. There are some class exist in schedule type which we can use. In the second option, schedule type, some material are defined. For example, copper, iron, ductile, etc. We can assign type and schedule of this segment, but I recommend that third option, material and schedule type. After selection, when we browse material, the material browser is open in front of us. As we scroll down or up in the project material, we found many materials. But it's not compulsory that we will find out our design material. In this situation, we have to use nearest material classification by duplicating for make a new design material. We need PPRC material which is not available in library. That's why we duplicate PVC material and assign name PPRC. Also duplicate this material in appearance, select color green and set it on 140. Assign description identity PPRC and class PN20. Assign schedule type PN20 and select catalog also. OK all the bars. Change the pipe segment in routing preferences. Your desired material is ready. We change the model display style realistic in view template. Now we will draw a pipe. We did not define the edges of this pipe, so its color is blue. If we want to change the color accordingly pipe material, then we go to type properties in domestic cold water and edit the graphic override. Line graphics bar appears. Select the green color and set it on 140. OK the all bars. Its edges are same now. Pipe fittings are compulsory with piping system. Along new pipe material, the fittings should be in same material. It's not possible that pipe material is PVC and fittings material is steel. So how can we make same material for fittings? Let's see it. Go to pipe type, then type properties, then routing preferences bar, select elbow PVC. T-junction is not available in this list. So go to load family, C, program data, Autodesk, Revit, libraries, US metric, pipe, fittings, PVC, schedule 40, socket type. Select from here. Now this fitting is available in T junction. Select it. Draw a piping system consists elbow and T. Pipes are in PPRC material and fittings are in PVC material. Now we assign PPRC material for elbow as well. Let's start it. Click elbow family and go to edit family. Always keep it in your mind that never edit original family. Always save as family with new name and then edit it. So we save this family with new name as I am assigning PPRC instead of PVC. Please save it. We are applying same material on this object. We already assigned pipe segment material PPRC. So we are using same material. Select object, go to materials, in properties and browse it through three dots. In material browser, make material for elbow, same as we make already for the pipe segment. Apply wheel style realistic, the elbow is ready. Save it and load into project. Now again go to routing preferences in pipe type and select the new elbow. Now whatever pipe you draw in this system, it's elbow material PPRC. But for replacing those fittings you draw already, select the fittings and replace it from properties. You can change T and other fittings through this procedure. We need hot water pipe as well as cold water pipe in potable water system. Its material is same PPRC, but its presentation should be different. So we can see and realize the difference between two different pipes. For this, I will show you how to make hot water system. Similarly, duplicate hot water system. The pipe you will copy, routing preferences also be copied automatically. You just change the color of red in line graphics color bar. Now draw a new pipe. First select pipe type domestic hot water in properties, and after that select domestic hot water in system type. Both pipe systems are ready. Select hidden line from view style, which is normally we are using in plan. Through this procedure, you can make different pipes, materials and fittings. Like and share my educational video and subscribe it as well. Thanks for watching.